If you're experiencing issues with a Wufoo form not loading, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent forms from loading properly. Try refreshing the page or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause loading issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try accessing the form again. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with form loading. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and check if the form loads correctly. Step 4. Try a different browser. If the form still doesn't load, switch to a different web browser. This can help determine if the issue is browser-specific. Popular options include Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Step 5. Contact Wufoo support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Wufoo's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Wufoo form not loading. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help.